Are you ready to embark on a journey through time with one of the most iconic cameras in the history? Join me as we delve into the fascinating story of the Minox 35 GT, a compact marvel that revolutionized photography. The Minox 35 GT made its debut in 1981, capturing the hearts of photographers worldwide. But its story began long before that, in the meticulous design lab of Minox, where designers and engineering poured their expertise into creating a camera that would redefine compact photography. From its inception to its production in the early 1980s, the Minox 35 GT quickly gained popularity for its groundbreaking design and exceptional performance. Throughout its production run, which lasted until the middle of the 1990s, the 35 GT remained a coveted piece of photography equipment, sought after by professionals and enthusiasts alike. But what truly sets the Minox 35 GT apart are its impressive technical features. Despite its diminutive size, this camera packs a powerful punch. Let's delve into some of its key specifications. The Minox 35 GT is equipped with a high-quality multi-coated 35mm Minotaur lens with a focus of 2.8, delivering sharp image with excellent contrast and color rendition. Featuring a reliable electronically controlled leaf shutter, the Minox 35 GT offers a wide range of shutter speed from 1 to 500 to 15 seconds, allowing for creative flexibility in various light conditions. With an aperture range from 2.8 to 16, photographers have a precise control over depth of field, enabling stunning bokeh effect or expansive landscapes. The camera supports ISO setting from 25 to 800, providing versatility to adapt the different light situation and film types. Viewfinder. Despite its compact size, the Minox 35 GT boasts a bright and clear viewfinder with projected frame lines, ensuring accurate composition and framing. Equipped with a zone focus system, the Minox 35 GT allows for a quick and intuitive focusing, making it ideally for street photography and capturing spontaneous moments. And let's not forget about its design, a perfect blend of form and function. The Minox 35 GT's compact body fits snugly in the palm of the hand, making it ideal companion for photographers on the go. Its intuitive control and ergonomic layout ensure that capturing the perfect shot is always a breeze. In conclusion, the Minox 35 GT is more than just a camera. It's a testament of ingenuity and passion of its creator. The iconic device continues to inspire photographers around the world. A link to the technical manual in this camera you will find in the video description. Join the ranks of those who have experienced the magic of Minox 35 GT. Happy shooting, and if you like it, please sign and subscribe to MovieVox channel.